G'day guys, 2Aussie here again. What's cracking? So today what I thought I would make is my version of spaghetti bolognese. So I've got some ingredients here. I've got spaghetti pasta, some tomato paste, some lean beef mince, and I've got diced tomato here, which is has basil and oregano, a little bit of garlic, and about half a teaspoon of sugar, just to take that taste out of the tomato, just give it a bit of more sweetness, because usually this stuff doesn't have sugar in it. Brings out the flavor of the spaghetti. So I've got the pot boiling away here, pan's ready to go, so I'll get everything going and I'll show you the end result. So guys, there's the spaghetti, very nice. We'll give it a taste. I know it's going to taste good because I've made this many times before. Always stick to the same recipe. Little ripper. So I kept a little bit of this for another video, because in a couple of days I'm thinking about making a barbecue, well, it's not barbecue, but a meat lover's pizza with a tomato base, and I'll put a bit of this bolognese meat on top. So guys, give that one a go. It's really nice. And another thing I found too, which I never thought I'd like, is cottage cheese. And I find that if you put cottage cheese with this, it tastes beautiful. So after I finish with this video, I might put a bit of cottage cheese and eat it with the rest of it. So anyway guys, give it a go. Hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the video. And don't forget, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo!